Bish. So my little fishy viewers, it's me again, your boy Ethan Martinez. And today, you can see right now, we are in a car. Right, Bethany? Yes. Here's our special guest, Bethany. Anyways, right now our parents are going somewhere, they said. But it's okay still. You can see if it's raining or it is raining right now. Anyways, today we are pretty much not doing nothing today, but I'm pretty sure that we're gonna try the McDonald's McChicken.
Woo!
Yes, sir.
For lunch.
As you can see right now, it is 1 o'clock.
So now we have to eat lunch before our parents come. We have to scream McDonald's.
Yeah, stay tuned for that. Anyways, right now I don't know where's my parents right now, but I think they're turning the password on Chase. As you can see, we're trying to do something for no reason.
They're putting money on Chase actually.
Yeah. But anyway, stay tuned because today we are gonna try the McChicken from McDonald's.
Yeah.
And we're also gonna do ASMR. Dun dun dun. Anyways, make sure watch my last video. Last video, it only 2 views. I need way more than 2 views. And I need 50 subscribers. So far, no one got 50 subscribers yet.
Please, guys, we have to subscribe because if we don't, then we are going to lose. So we really need to actually win.
What's Bethany talking about right now is that this channel right here, pop it up. That channel is my friend's, and that one is called Eddie's channel, and it has 45 viewers. No, 45 subscribers. So then, that's bad because we only have 7 subscribers. We need 43 more. Also, thank you for the ones who subscribed to the last video. I will comment in your video and I will give you Robux. Right now, my parents are arriving right now for no reason. Hey, Daddy. I'm just filming a video again. I'm just filming a video. Oh my god. Anyways, we're gonna try the new McChicken from McDonald's.
New McChicken? What?
The McChicken from McDonald's.
What McChicken?
The McChicken from McDonald's.
Don't say. Can I get McChicken?
Anyways, guys, we're also gonna go to McDonald's right now. Right now, I want maybe the $5 meal.
6 meals con 4, ¿verdad?
Wait, that's Dunkin' Donuts right now. That's Dunkin' Donuts. It's supposed to be in the south.
I'll do the Dunkin' Donuts. Yo quiero eso.
¿Qué quieres, Bethany, tú?
¿Qué hay?
There's the new $5 meal. There is the Happy Meal if you want, like you order every time. Yeah.
Ice cream? No.
I don't think they will order ice cream.
Yeah.
He will not.
I want to see what's in the meal.
In the where?
The meal.
I don't know how to turn on the mirror.
Like, can you pass me the phone so I can see what they're ordering?
No, they has the phone.
Oh.
¿Qué quieres, hija?
Let's see. I'll go see the meal.
Want a $5 meal, the new $5 meal.
¿Cuál niño falta de mí? Aquí no hay niño falta de mí.
There's the new $5 meal right here. $5 meal is right there.
¿Dónde?
Oh my god.
The $5 meal that I always order, you know. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah. That's the $5 meal.
One more chicken, double more chicken.
Happy.
Tres more chicken.
That
Yeah.
Maria know how to spell happy.
Okay, spell happy.
H A P and then A E, I guess. Wait, I think H A P P Y. Is that how you say it? Or you add just a E? Like happy. That's how you spell it?
Guys, right now we're pulling to the drive-thru right now, and we're also going to say an hour code for McDonald's right now. I will stay tuned until we get the McDonald's meal.
Thank you.
Soon. One patty is one.
Okay, we're here for our orders.
How you doing, sir?
Good, thank you.
You too, thank you.
You got everything right?
Yep. Got it.
Sir.
Hold it.
Got it.
What's inside it?
Smells like fresh good. I don't know if you guys could smell it right now, but it is feisty in there.
Let's smell it.
That's great.
Wait, can you smell it?
Yeah, it's very
Like,
good.
does it have a toy?
We don't know if it has a toy.
No.
Maybe.
No tiene toys porque no ordenaste Happy Meal.
It's so good. So where you say we're gonna go to that right now?
Vamos a ver si tienen un open house.
An open house? Maybe. Yeah.
Tal vez se dan unos 6,000, tal vez.
Maybe.
Pero como tú dices que depende del área también.
No, yo creo que 8,000. No, 800 creo.
Okay.
Si quieren, ¿no?
Maybe. Okay, guys, we're here in our house right now. Let's go. Oh, frick, I almost slipped. Oh my god, guys. I almost slipped. I'm just taking McDonald's. got the soda. I'll leave my McDonald's back. Let's go back to the slippery slide. Trying to get myself over here. Oh, this slip. Should I put my soda here? I think I should, but it might spoil the whole thing. Guys, I will film this when okay, finally we arrived to our house. Yeah, anyways guys, I didn't tell you this, but I have fishes also. This one is going to be named Lime. Lemonade. This one is going to be Pumpkin. All the babies are named John. And yeah, before I had a really fish but they died. But it's okay, I know. Okay, anyways guys, you didn't see my shorts, but I have the beautiful part of the Titanic. Amazing. Other parts is missing. We need like a whole part over here. Anyways, that's like food. And the chicken. Wait, there's one more. Oh, it was the soda. Anyway, the rest of them are not mine. Okay, let's get the soda. Oh, what happened? Oh, you put the water inside. Ah! My soda. Cheers, Titanic. Let's go. Okay, my beautiful sandwich like always. Right here. French fries. Let me take one out. It tastes delicious. Beautiful soda. This here. To say most of it. Yeah. Fishies also eat. Let me tell you one fact about the fishies. The fishies are doing great. They love each other and their friends. Where is okay guys, got my mixed chicken. If you're watching this and you're hungry, go to this address right here and they will give you it. It is so good. Wait, you try. It is good. Let's try French fries. It is so fire. Soda? Wait, it's your turn. It is delicious. Anyways, guys, I'm going to finish my meal. Then I will tell you about it. Oh, okay. Anyways, guys, I totally forgot that it comes from chicken nugget and this barbecue sauce. But this is going to be feisty. Let me try with the barbecue sauce.
Open the... Look at the chicken nuggets. Fire.
Okay, guys, we just opened inside the barbecue. Let's see how it tastes with French fry. Oh.
I need to get tiny.
It's so good. Oh my god.
Love my hair.
Guys, try this out. This is rating a 10 out of 10. McDonald's is the winner. McDonald's at top. Anyways, this time I'm gonna finish my food right now. So peace out.